Hi, I'm Dr. Samidare. I'm a board certified cosmetic and plastic surgeon. I do practice in Mumbai and Goa, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you some myths and debunk these myths regarding tattoo removal with lasers. So the first myth is new tattoos are very difficult to remove. The reason people say is because when you get a new tattoo done, you are in the healing phase, and we don't advise to go undergo a laser removal for this new tattoo within like 3 to 6 months. We allow it to heal, and then only we go ahead with laser treatment to remove. So definitely new tattoo can be removed. It's not an issue, but then you should have healed. The second myth is it is very painful, but I like to tell you here is when we put a numbing cream and the technology what we have a pico laser, we have a nanotechnology, so it makes it very painless. The third myth is when you do laser for your tattoo, you end up with a scar. So the answer is no. When we give lasers, it is very selective. It only acts on the pigments in the tattoo. It doesn't act on your skin. So from that point of view, if you are not in the healing phase in which you have blisters or some reaction because of inappropriate use of lasers, or if the procedure is done by non-experienced person, otherwise you don't end up with any kind of scar. Your tattoo can be removed in one session, so that is completely false. You need multiple sessions for tattoo removal, and it has to be planned. Like if once we do your one session, we give a break of 4 weeks. After that we do a second session. You need at least somewhere between 5 to 10 sessions, depending upon whether it is a old tattoo, new tattoo, or professional tattoo, and depending upon the color. The fifth myth is it takes a long time to get rid of the tattoo. Definitely when we do your laser, it's very quick. In 5 to 20 minutes we are done with your lasers, but we put a numbing cream, so you need to wait for that action to come, and then only we go ahead with the procedure. So the procedure is very short, very quick. If your size is big, then you're going to take more time. Otherwise you can expect somewhere around in 1 hour your procedure to be done. The sixth myth is certain creams you can put and get rid of the tattoo. So the answer is no. Tattoos are deep embedded in your skin, and whatever creams we put, they will be able to remove whatever is a superficial pigmentation. So tattoos can't be removed with cream. Tattoos cannot be completely removed. I have myself seen my patients in which the tattoo has been removed completely. Yes, if it's a big size, if it is done by professional, if it is a new tattoo, you are in the healing phase, then you take some time for to remove it completely. But in other cases also, it becomes so light it is hardly visible. The next myth is it is very expensive to get lasers done. Yes, it can be expensive when if it is done by experienced clinic. If your the size of your tattoo is more, if you're having a professional tattoo which is green in color, then definitely you expect your cost to be on little bit higher side. Certain tattoos are very difficult to treat. Yes, depending upon the color. If you have a white component, definitely you expect it to be there. It is very difficult to remove white. The second is getting rid of yellow orange tattoo is difficult. But the most common tattoo which are easily removed is black, red. These are blue. These are very easily removed. Green done by professional artist is a little bit difficult to remove, but then we have seen results with these tattoos also. And finally, a laser removal for tattoo can be done for a particular skin type. The answer to this is no, it can be done for any skin color, because whatever lasers we give act specific on your ink of the tattoo and not on your skin. There are different wavelengths which we use to get rid of depending upon different color and different color of the tattoo, as well as patient's color, but then you can expect results for all skin type and all skin color. So this was regarding how you can remove tattoo with a laser. And you need to understand these are the myth which I have debunked. If you are having a tattoo, you want to get rid of it, you can WhatsApp us, you can mail us, you can get in touch with us on this number. My team will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much.